Hello everybody. Today I'm going to take you through what Alex calls a price personality shift. And to do this, we're going to have a quick look at a setup in the German 10-year Bund, and then we're going to go and look at how the market traded on the ladders. Alright, let's jump into it. Okay, so here's the Bund, and what we're interested in is these last couple of days. So yesterday, the market bid on the back of the setup where we had the market extended from value and overnight inventory short at the lows. And then it did almost the same thing. So bid into the close at the highs, overnight inventory at the highs, again extended away from value. But what happened this morning was quite different. The market hung around at the highs. Now, if we go to the 5-minute chart to learn a little bit more about that, we can see that the market offered down and then bid up, but either way it wasn't really going anywhere. Now down here was interesting because down here the market held at the lows. The volumes were a little bit higher, but not high by any means. And the market had a lot of absorption down here. Now when it popped above, you might have thought it would squeeze, and it did rally, but the squeeze wasn't aggressive. Look how many candles it put here. And then here at 11 o'clock, the market ticked through the highs, no drive, and then got heavy. Now this is where it gets interesting because today was a European syndication. Now last time we had one of those, the market was quite heavy from around 11 as well. And so we had this price action here where the market would sort of like offer, pull back, but have no sort of like continuation to the upside. And so I think this comes from, weaker hands selling the lows, then getting squeezed for a few ticks, and you get this sort of, this price action as your option lower. Then what's really key here is when the market dropped below the 16s, which is this grey line here, back into this really heavy absorption area, we got a flag on the 1 minute, and then we got this price personality shift. So just think about what I described to you there, and then let's go and look to the ladders. Bund ladder's second from the left, and you can see that it's currently trading 172 14s, now 13s. And so we're playing it twice the speed, and what we're looking for here is a price personality shift. So the market's been trading in this 1 minute flag, sorry, excuse the score, and now we're looking to see it change, and the market starts sort of trading flow. So you saw there was like 1,000 lots trade there into 12s, and the market's holding off. So 50 up, then another nearly 500 sold down into 12s. So we're seeing size into the lows. Right, then now 700 and 900. So we're really seeing size into 12s there. Now the market's trading 11s, the 66 at 11s. Right, there you go, 11's taken offered, like a couple of thousand lots into 11. So you can see there really is volumes, as I said. Alright, 11's taken offered, now selling into 10. So now we're at the low of the day so far. Okay. There you go, 1,200 into 10s. 300, 400 now trading into 9s, and I'm getting short. Alright, so the market's taken 10s bid again, and again was taken offered. So what I'm trying to show here is that price action is very different to what I just described on the chart. Alright everybody, that's it for today. I'm going to go downstairs and join everybody else, and we're going to watch England play Germany. Alright, see you tomorrow.